Hey, it's Deborah from Beer Kittens. We are going to chug a lug here. 50-ounce chug meter. I had to burp. That feels better. There's more room now. And do I have mustache? Oh, my belly's full already. I about choked on my burp. I'm in sport mode. I'm trying. I'm almost there. Oh. I thought I had it. There you have it. Ooh. Hope you're proud. My belly is so full right now. You might want to just leave it on for more extra burps. 4 garage beers. For all those subscribers who asked us to chug, watch, like, subscribe, tell your friends that we are not sissies. We're women who love beer.